welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with a little, well, it's another, where's my tool? Okay, I used this before to roll over my plastic. I used a plastic sheet. So this is the plastic sheet I used for my last roll, and it transferred onto the plastic sheet. Now I could have washed it off, but I didn't. I left it on, so that's what the plastic sheet ended up looking like. So I thought that I'd be able to peel it off, but there wasn't. Actually, the thickness of the paint doesn't allow me to peel the whole thing off. So I left it on, and I've got a colourful dip sheet to work on, so that's what I'm using again. And I'm going to use this 12 by, what is it? It is a 12 by 8 inch canvas. So, and I'm hopefully doing it with different colours. People told me to try it with different colours, so I'm going to go more just the reds and oranges and purples. To shut the door, my dogs are barking again. Hey, 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 naughty puppies. So I've done this before. If you want to have a look at the other video, I'll try and link it. So this one I'm going to cover with the white. Just going to use my little sponge brush, and I'm going to paint it in. So I think there's a lot of others loved the last one I did with the roller, but said I'll try different colours. So here I am doing as I'm told, which is, you know, not very often, so my husband says. But there you go. So I'm going to try it again with different colours. So just take this as a therapy session when you're doing it, or just take it nice and slow. There's absolutely no reason to hurry, and just enjoy the process. So I think I'm going to do it the same way. This is a nice, brilliant red. So as I said, I'm going to try and do it with reds and purple and yellow, maybe. Those colours. You can make little wiggles, or you can make these chevrons. I like how these chevrons turn out, and what I have found is it actually does work better if it's with thicker paint. So this isn't too thick, so I'm hoping to goodness that it's okay. This is called wicker yellow. So I love this actual yellow. It's not like the really bright candy yellow. It's more sort of a yellow orange, but I like it. So if you've done these, you can, I mean, they're great to do as a first project to give you a little bit of encouragement that that this kind of art, you know, you can actually do something with it. When you're not very artistic minded, it's a good encouragement kind of technique. So this is magenta, so I'm probably not going to add as many colours as I did before. And then this is my Berry Delicious, which is the cool red, a touch of phthalo blue, and a little bit of black if you want it to go real dark cherry looking. So I'm going to just do my little squiggles or wiggles about on this one. And I might just add a little bit of white. Little bit of white. So I'm really hoping those colours gel nicely. I don't think I've got a clean whole sheet to, well, maybe I have. Like to, oh, that one might work. So this is slightly like, that's where I did the last sheet, and I could use that sheet, but I've got a clean sheet here. So I'm going to try my clean sheet. Rightio. So I've just let the sheet go down on it, and I use the roller ball. It's called Speedball. Just got it from the home centre. I think it was, I can't remember from what, it would have been from the craft department. So I am just going to gently roll it up and down, getting it on my roller. Oh, it's coming out the holes at the bottom. Silly Jilly. I'll just wipe my roller. It is coming out the holes at the bottom of the actual sheet. Not going to worry about it though. It's fine. I can wipe my roller afterwards, and this time I will wash my sheet off. I didn't wash it off because I just thought, oh, it'll hot peel, you know, be a nice big sort of acrylic skin, but it didn't end up going to plan, as my acrylic art never seems to go to plan. So just got to improvise and go with it. But never mind. That's my little roller ball. Now I'm going to just lift this sheet up. Holy dolly! Wow, wow, wow. Nice either way. That's nice. I probably should have left a bit more negative space there, but look at the kind of effect you get in it. It is gorgeous. And what I'm going to do, just add some with a, I'm going to use my chopstick, put it in a bit of, where's my black? Maybe I'll use red. I just want to do some bubbles. I mean, when it's dried, you could go through it and embellish a little bit more with something. You could put a few tropical fish, I guess, or looking as though a fish's head is popping through there. I'm just gonna embellish a little bit with this chopstick. A little bit. But it really has a really lovely textured effect. Those colours are very, very pretty together. I can't really complain about them, but then again, some will for sure, for sure, for sure. I kind of envisage leaving a little bit bigger negative space to look as though it was kind of underneath the ocean with the lovely tropical foliage swaying in the tidal, whatever they call it. But that is ultra pretty colours, and I definitely will use those again. That's actually far nicer colours than the first time. Now I think I will wash this one off, because I know that it just doesn't dry. It dries exactly like that, but I can't peel it off or do anything. Super duper happy with that because the colours are lovely. So I just might try a different composition with that, but I'll bring you down for a close-up to see of the textured effect that it's achieved in there. So here are the lovely textured effects that helps create in there with that roller ball. Really lovely. Those colours I love so much more together. It's just the composition that I don't feel completely happy with on this smaller canvas, but the colours and the textured effect I'm super duper happy with. So yeah, if it's your first pour or something you want to do with the grandchildren or teenagers, that's a really nice one to do, because you get some beautiful effects and look at beautiful colours. So it gives you lots of confidence then to push on, and that you can see something you've created in acrylic. So that is gorgeous. I like it. Hope you love it too. Right, my lovelies, we're heading for weekend here in Queensland, Australia, so it's family time for me, and I hope you've got family or friends or somebody special to spend your time with. Remember, you're feeling sad, lonely or upset, please ring a family member or friend, or definitely a helpline. Enjoy, my lovelies, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.